Viewers, wanna see why police fling down Pullu and Dash? The youth them no want work. The youth them a run down fast life. Them left Southsyde, say them a go Portland pan mission. And you see we reach them in a house. Plus, gunman, murder man in a New Kingston. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no check out that video. Then after that, we're gonna talk about all of this. You see me?
To tell you jump up on your feet, and when I count to three, make up. Touch your neighbor and say, neighbor, the pill them now work. Deep. Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, you have letter for another specialist. I whom you talk to. This letter is the third one.
So gunman make step in a church pan water lane and Mobile yesterday. And dirt that woman you wanna see on the screen when named Cora Thompson. Everybody asks the question I road now. Why? Why the gunman dirt that woman ya? The woman involved in a something? Or son involved in a something? Or the gunman them just come at the church for shoot up the church? Eh? When you see say the youth them boy ya na heart? When you see say the youth them boy ya na live by no code again? Them no care who you are. Them no care which part you want stand up. You could have want stand up in front of a church or in front of the police station. Them a go come for you and make it up more brawling, me I tell you no. So see here my viewers, I don't know whether woman you involved in a. I don't know if her son involved in a badness and the killer them come for her, or was this just a random thing or what. But when JC find a flat pan ground and 9 ball in her head, and on no bangle settings, and on no lock up settings, can you see most of uno boy, una crash down me a road. As when me say yesterday, which Dan, our general can call my phone and tell me about me if you go shoot up church. Me da tell him say, brother, I bet you make your son do that, or I bet you make your daughter do that. You see me look like no waste man, brother. So see it here, Cora Thompson life gone, so no walk with me and now. Gunman make step in a New Kingston and fling down a man at the intersection of Grenada Crescent and Trinidad Terrace. Brawling when police pull up on the scene, them find man spread out pan him back with B9 ball in him head. Now the police them a try find out who do this to the man ya. My viewers, the badness now have no end boy ya, you know, and the badness now no tap, you know. I'll know the police them don't know who is this man ya, you know. But see it here. Badness, me I tell you no more viewers. Man them a run out and a make it up more brawling. Man them a fight over the dirty lane and the dirty scheme boy ya. It no matter all when me tell them say no war now win. The youth them no care about that. Them have it for say the boy them make step and come dirt them friend them. So them have to make back step and go dirt back for them friend them. So this thing ya just a go be a ongoing thing. Never ending cycle, me I tell you no. So hear it ya. Dead boy pan grung in a New Kingston. Gunman make step and make it up more brawling. So no walk with me and now. See the reason ya why police dash with dash and Pullu than a Portland. Cause the youth them no want work. The youth them want fast cash. So the youth them left Southside. Say them a go Portland. Say them a go take on the road. Say them a go rob down place. Say them a go do all type of things. And where them no know, God nah sleep. Program a run. See the youth them here, you know, my viewers, as what I tell you know. A Southside them come from, you know, Central Kingston, you know, and them take up themselves and go Portland. Police dash them away in a house where you say a shootout. So see it here, get to youth. You see if Pullu and dash, they take them time and go look at 9 to 5 and try to make it in a life the honest way, this would reach them, my viewers. But through the youth them a take program. And them a take press, and them a run down fast life, and them no want work. You see we reach them right now. As I say, you know, Pullu and Dash, you know, a bad boy them, you know, Them involved in a badness in the Southsyde area, you know. Them park on the wild side corner, you know. Dante and brother dog are them general. So see it here. Probably if them never meet them fate that way ya Portland, probably police would have dash them way in a Southsyde. Or the up them who them a worried in a Southsyde with a mix step and dash them way. So either or either. The youth them nah live and learn. Most of them youth your mother coulda not even did know say them son they a Portland. Till see it here, them hear it pon the news. Now them a ball. Can't believe say them son gone. So get to youth. Do the right thing in a life, youth. Better you go work a look 9 to 5. You will last longer. More than you not take up on yourself and talk about you go a country. But you not go up on mission. You no want rob down place and do all type of thing. Nah go work out for no brother. JC if I go dash you no way. So see them here. Dash and Pullu down from Southsyde. Police dash them where Portland. So no walk with me and now. You no see where Orius Chenga say. Him a say police would not wear body cameras when confronting gunman. So hear it there. So to all of the people them where they are road where I talk about police to wear body camera. When you hear where Orius Chenga say. Same police them now wear no body camera when them in a toss up with gunman. The thing na work. So tell me what you think about this, my viewers. You believe in that way Orius Chenga say. So the reason why the police them now go wear no body camera when them a confront gunman because the body camera go beat them up. You believe in that? Him have it for say now when police in a dark and them have on the body camera upon them chest. Remember the body camera have a little red light pan it, you know. So him have it for say the gunman them a go make out the police them, but people, me no know what to say about that one here. You hear that? The people them a ball for the camera them and Orius Chenga said no camera. So tell me what you think, my viewers. You see me? I go take for myself you know. Until next time, you have a safe day out there. And remember, a life over death at the Cora road. You see me?
Man said deep, Jordan dirty, but I want to get rid of leprosy. Deep, come on, somebody. You sit down in here with disease and a whole heap of doctor. Some of you, your house coming like a pharmacy, but God tell me to tell you jump up on your feet, and when I count to 3, make up. Touch your neighbor and say, neighbor, the pill them now work. Deep. Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, you have letter for another specialist. I whom you talk to, this letter is the 3rd one.